Celebrating the star of the day. Understanding birthday boy, girl. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a pair of cheerful phrases you've likely heard at birthday parties or seen on greeting cards. Birthday boy and birthday girl. These terms are more than just labels. They carry a sense of joy, celebration, and tradition. So, if you're ready to add some festive flair to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Birthday boy and birthday girl refer to the person who is celebrating their birthday on that particular day. These phrases are used to highlight and celebrate the individual whose birthday it is. It's a way to make them feel special and the center of attention during the celebration. Whether they're turning 5, 18, or 50, the terms remain the same, emphasizing the universal joy of celebrating a birthday. You can use birthday boy or birthday girl in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal invitations. Here are a few examples to illustrate their use. Let's sing "Happy Birthday" to the birthday girl. The birthday boy gets to choose the first game we play today. I bought a gift for the birthday girl. I hope she likes it. Notice how these phrases naturally integrate into sentences, making the birthday person feel extra special. In many cultures around the world, calling someone the birthday boy or birthday girl is a way to shower them with love and attention. It's a tradition that signifies respect, affection, and the importance of marking another year of life. Celebrating birthdays is a universal experience, and these phrases are a small but meaningful part of those celebrations. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the delightful phrases, birthday boy and birthday girl. We hope this video has brightened your day and enriched your English vocabulary with a touch of celebration. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the culture and emotions they convey. Keep practicing, and don't forget to spread the joy by using these festive phrases at your next birthday celebration. See you in our next video.